Alrighty guys, here's another Lasko for you. It's another tower fan too. This one is the Lasko Space Saving Performance Tower Fan with night mode. It's got a remote control, it's got 3 speed settings, night mode, which I'll explain in a second, and an extended comfort zone. Just to give you an example, here's a little Lasko tower. This one's a 27-inch, I believe. It's just a heater, not a tower fan. But onto the fan. This guy is a T48312. Got it from Bed Bath & Beyond for $67. It's a 48-inch. It's pretty quiet, and it moves a really good amount of air for being a tower fan. Normally these don't move all that much air, but it moves really good air. Has a nice long cord, nice sturdy base that was really easy to put together with only 4 screws. Of course, it's got Lasko's fused safety plug for safety because of the box fan fires in 2004. So all their fans have that now, and their humidifiers too. Let me just show you the specs of this real quick.
There you go, 0.45 amps.
It's actually pretty energy efficient, and you have 13 little blower wheels that are all stacked together that quietly and powerfully move the air around the room.
And I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it, but there's just a Lasko box fan motor in there, that's all.
The screws are not removable on the back. They are these little Torx heads that you can't use a regular screwdriver with. You have to have a Torx bit. I have those, but it just makes it a pain in the butt to clean if someone wants to clean it and doesn't have these tools. This little divot here, carrying handle, and you have a nice little remote storage. 5-button remote, power, speed, oscillation timer, and night mode. I'll get to that in just a second. Also takes 2 AAA batteries. I have lithium ones in here. It's fairly lightweight. It does wobble, but I mean, once the fan's on, you don't really notice it. And I mean, yeah, it does feel cheap, but it's all right. I don't really mind it. So you turn the fan on here, start on high, and it pushes a really good amount of air. Like, I'm honestly surprised. It pushes really good air. So to change the speed, you just hit speed, put on to medium. Still pretty quiet, moving great air still. And down below. Have a little bit of a rattle in there, but I don't seem to mind. Turn on the oscillation, pop it back on high. And all the functions on the remote you can do on the fan as well. That's 90-degree oscillation. A 7-hour timer, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Get a close up on that. And then let me show you what night mode does. So you hit night mode. The display will dim by 50%. It'll start on high speed for 1 hour, then move to medium for 1 hour, then move to low speed for 1 hour, and continue on low speed until the user interacts with the fan. And if you want to cut it off, you just hit night mode. It'll resume back to whatever else you were doing. Pretty cool. Pretty cool fan. Cut it off here. Like I said, a little bit wobbly. It is a tall fan, so I mean, I guess that's to be expected. But it cools the air in this room, circulates it pretty well. Also, this is a tower fan, not an air conditioner, not an evaporative cooler. This does not cool the air. It's not gonna make it cold. It's just an air circulating tower fan. It circulates the air and that's it. This does not replace an air conditioner like so many of you think. It does not. It is a fan, not an air conditioner. This is a $67 fan. If you want an air conditioner, you're probably going to spend upwards of $200, $300. This is not an air conditioner. Just letting you know, because some of y'all think that, and that's not true. There's no tower fan that I know of that quote-unquote blows cold, other than the Lasko high-velocity blower ones, which have the blower motor by the floor, so I guess it draws in the cold air from the floor and it's a little bit colder, but this will not replace an air conditioner. If that's what you're looking for, this is not it. But as a tower fan, it's a wonderful tower fan, and I would recommend it. It's actually one of my favorites, right next to the Quiet Set by Honeywell, which I also have a review on as well. The YF290B, I believe. There you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a comment, question, drop it down below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Stay safe out there and stay cool.